Hello, students of class 8. That day, I think in the first video, I have already discussed with resources, the definition of resources, the types of resources. Okay, so today this will be the second video of resources. Now, here in this second video, what I'm trying to like to say is that the human resources and the last one will be the conservation of resources. Now, in this video, I'm trying to say that natural substance, they become resources only when their origin form has been changed. Now, this has been changed to make the buildings, to make bridges, roads, machinery. They are known as the human-made resources by the help of technology. Now, what do you mean or definitions of human resources? People, they make uses from nature to create more resources when they have knowledge, skills and technology. Now, people, they also have resources by adopting education as well as a health. Now, in making the valuable resource by improving the skills of the people. Now, using resource carefully and giving them time to get reserve is known as a resource conservation. Now, right now we can see conservation is one of the most important word because we need to use and conserve resources for the future generation through sustainable development. Now, what are the main conservation of resources is by adopting 3 R's. Now, these 3 R's are reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay. Now, children, in the first beginning, we have already done with the definition of resources. I think you know what you mean by resources. Then we have done a types of resources based on abiotic, renewable, non-renewable, then potential as well as an actual resources. Now, human being as a resources, it is also known as a human resources. Okay. Now, if a human being has a health as well as an education, that means human being is a what? It is the one of the most important resource. Clear? Now, next one, distribution of natural resources, they are varied from place to place. Now, like a distribution of sunlight, water, rocks, plants, they are all not equally distributed in our earth. So that is why utilization, the use of natural resources varied from place to place depending on the availability of the resources, the needs of the local people and the accessibility of technology. Now, for example, what you can say in desert region where water is scanty. Scanty means what? Very less. Conservation of water resources very important. Unlike the places which is located near the river banks. Now, next one is as we can see that sustainable development, very important factors to save the earth from land degradation, from deforestation, okay, from grazing. So these are the certain things. And conservation of natural resources also includes afforestation. Afforestation means what? Planting of trees, reductions of the waste materials as well as a recycling. Now, we need to reduce all these things by making ensure that we are going to use valuable resources in a very proportionate way. Now, sometimes what we do, we reuse the old bottles and the papers that is lying in our home to make an object of it, that is known as the things which is made from the waste. Okay, so these are some of the things, children, that we have to learn in today's world, that the flora and fauna, we need to conserve it. We are not going to deploy it. We are not going to waste it. So we can do this by creating an awareness. Clear? So I think you don't have any doubt. If you have any doubt, please tell me. please don't hesitate to ask me the question. And this in this video we have already done first and second video, and even I have already sent you a PDF on the resources. So please go through the PDF, please listen to the videos, and if you have any queries, please tell me, children. And next video I'm going to tell you. In that video I'm going to send you some of the important things that you need to write. Okay, thank you, children. Stay safe.